Morning students. Today already we discussed chemistry into with chemistry two classes. In first class what is chemistry we discussed. In second class we discussed about some introduction points. This is the third class. Today we are going to start our first chapter, atomic structure. So that is the first chapter we are going to discuss. So here chemistry paper 1. Chemistry paper 1 is nothing but a first year chemistry. So here after knowing of atom, so you have to know first atom. What is a atom? Atom, it is the smallest particle which is indivisible to construct the matter. Atom is the smallest particle which is indivisible. Atom, it is a smallest particle which is a smallest particle is used to construct the matter. Atom, it is the smallest particle, is used to construct the matter. See here, is used to construct the matter. See here, after knowing the atom, many researches is going on. After knowing the atom, many researches is going on. About the researches is for the discovery of some fundamental particles. Is nothing but a subatomic particles. Now you have to know what are the subatomic particles. If it is your question, what is the need of knowing subatomic particles means? In the beginning of 19th century, all chemists known that atom is a indivisible particle. But after so many researches is going on, after so many experiments can be done, atom also a divisible particle which is constructed with the help of indivisible particles like electron, proton, neutron. These indivisible particles are called subatomic particles. Why? Because these particles are going to construct or construct the matter now, not going to construct or construct the matter now. So these are nothing but subatomic particles. Now we are going to discuss some subatomic particles. Subatomic particles. So what are subatomic particles means? We have three types of subatomic particles. They are nothing but electron which having negative charge, proton which having positive charge, neutrons which having no charge. How many subatomic particles we have? 3 subatomic particles. The first one is nothing but electron. It is denoted by E. The second one is nothing but proton. It is denoted by P. Then third one is nothing but neutron. It is denoted by N. These three are subatomic particles: electron, proton and a neutron. Now we are going to discuss one by one subatomic particles, who discovered, what is their mass and what is their charge, and remaining properties we are going to discuss. The first one is nothing but a electron. It is denoted by E. So here you have to know who discovered electron. Means electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. By cathode ray tube. By cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube. Then what is its charge? Means you have to know charge of electron. Charge of electron is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So this is equal to, we may write in electrostatic units, 4.802 into 10 power minus 10 ESU. ESU means electrostatic units. Electrostatic units. This is charge of electron. Next, it is calculated by Mulliken. Charge of the electron is given by Mulliken. Charge of the electron is given by Mulliken. So charge of the electron is minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So this is, we may take as minus 1. We may take as minus 1. Next, mass of electron. It was given by, means charge of the electron is given by Mulliken, and the mass of the electron is nothing but 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. See here, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31, minus 31 means it's very small digit. It's very small digit. The value in grams, 9.1 into 10 power minus 28 grams. This is the mass of the electron. This is the mass of the electron. Next, specific charge of the electron. You have to know next specific charge. Specific charge of the electron. This is equal to 1.76 into 10 power 11 kg. Specific charge is nothing but E by m, means the charge of the electron to mass of the electron ratio is nothing but 1.76 into 10 power 11 coulombs. 1.76 into 10 power 11 coulombs or 10 power 8 grams kgs. Sorry, charge of the electron means here, what is the units for charge means coulombs. What is the units for mass means kgs. This is nothing but coulombs per kg. 1.76 5580 like that. So we may take as 1.76 into 10 to the power 11 coulombs per kg, or 1.76 5580 into 10 power 8 grams. Okay, this is the specific charge of electron. This is discovered electron. It is the fundamental particle. It is the fundamental particle electron, which was discovered by J.J. Thomson by cathode ray tube. Then charge of the electron was given by Mulliken, that is minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Then its charge will be measured in electrostatic units also, that is 4.802 into 10 power minus 10 electrostatic units. Mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg or 9.1 into 10 power minus 28 grams. This is a very less mass. So mass of the electron we may say in atomic mass units also. This is equal to 0.000548 AMU. AMU means atomic mass units. So mass of the electron, it is in kg, it is in gram, it is in atomic mass units. This is a specific charge of the electron. This is the information about electron, which is the fundamental particle, first one. Next, second one is nothing but a proton. This is denoted by P. This is denoted by P. Who discovered proton means Goldstein. Who discovered proton? Goldstein. By anode ray tube. This is a cathode ray tube and these are anode ray tube. So next charge of the electron, like that we have to discuss here. Charge of proton. So how you are going to get this E by M ratio means, so here 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Here it is nothing but minus 31 kg. Minus 31 going up means like that you may get 10 power 11 coulombs per kg. So this is charge of proton. Charge of the proton is equal to same. What is the charge of electron? It is opposite to proton. So here we have to take a signs, opposite signs. It is a minus, now we have to take a plus, means plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. 10 power minus 19 coulombs. This is the charge of the proton. This is equal to 4.802 into 10 power minus 19 ESU. ESU means electrostatic units. This is equal to, so we may take charge as plus 1. Here we may take charge as a minus 1. Here we may take charge as a plus 1. This is a minus 1, this is a plus 1. Opposite charge of the proton means protons having positive charge. Then mass of the proton you have to know. Mass of proton. This is 1.672 into 10 power minus 27, so 24 grams. 24 grams minus 24 grams. This is minus 28 grams and minus 31 kgs na. So this is nothing but minus 27 minus 27 minus 27 kg. This is how much? Minus 31 kg. So like that, this is minus 27 kg and it is how much? Minus 28 grams. So it is nothing but 1.672 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So this is the mass of the proton. This is the mass of the proton. So this is mass of the proton. Next we go for specific mass of the proton. Specific mass is nothing but 9.15 into 10 power 4 specific mass. This is nothing but coulombs per kg na? That is also coulombs per kg. This is a fundamental particle, first one electron. This is a fundamental particle, first one proton. So proton was discovered by Goldstein by cathode ray discharge tube. Charge of the proton is nothing but 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So this is also plus we are taking here. So approximate charge is nothing but a plus 1. The mass of the proton 1.672 into 10 power minus 27 kg or 10 power minus 24 grams. Here you have to know mass of the proton in atomic mass units. 1.007276 AMU. 7276 AMU means we measured the mass of the proton in kgs, grams and atomic mass units. Okay, so this is the information how to take about fundamental particles. So how many fundamental particles are completed? Electron and proton. Next we are going to discuss third fundamental particle is nothing but a neutron. Third fundamental particle is nothing but a neutron. Okay. Then third fundamental particle we are going to discuss. That is nothing but a neutron. Neutron, it is denoted by N. It is denoted by N. Then you have to know who discovered neutron means James Charles Chadwick. Who discovered neutrons? Chadwick. Chadwick. By bombarding alpha rays with beryllium particles. By treating alpha rays is nothing but a He24. He24 is nothing but alpha rays by bombarding with beryllium particles. Then a chargeless particles which are subatomic particles are obtained. They are nothing but neutrons. So charge of the neutron is charge of neutron is 0. No charge for neutrons. Then mass of neutron, this is equal to 1.675 into 10 power minus 24 grams, or this is equal to 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kgs, or this is equal to 1.00876 AMU. 8776 is nothing but 876. This is the mass of a neutron. The mass of the neutron is slightly higher than proton. Slightly higher than proton. This is the mass of a neutron. This is a Chadwick. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. Charge of the neutron is 0. Mass of the neutron is nothing but this is like this. So here you have to know one more important point. Mass of neutron is higher than proton. Mass of the neutron is higher than proton. These are fundamental particles which are nothing but electron, proton, neutron, or subatomic particles which are used to construct the atom. Atom subatomic particles means in the atom subatomic particles are a part. So this is the way discovery of subatomic particles is going on: electron, proton, neutron. After that, after discovery of subatomic particles, you have to know structure of atom. Means if you look inside atom, inside of the atom, how it is, we are going to discuss in the next class. So what are subatomic particles? Electron, proton, neutron. What is atom? It is the smallest particle which is used to construct the matter. Okay, thank you.